Hey guys, welcome to Encyclo. My name is Priyanshu, and in this one video we are discussing the management course Master in Management and Tourism, and this one is MTTM course code of total marks is 100, and that you can see here there are the 5 questions. Before starting the questions, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions PDF of paid assignments. So if you need all the assignments of at your WhatsApp in just 1 minute, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093688238. And the question number 1 is, what do you mean by the innovation and why the innovation technology must be market and customer oriented? The second one is, decision making implies making a choice between alternatives. Analyze the statement by giving suitable examples from service industry. Third one is, what is the difference between a strategy and policy and why are these needed? And fourth one is, discuss the benefits and limitation of MBO. And fifth one is, write an essay on antecedents of organizational changes. So if you need answer of these questions, so you can contact us without any hesitation, without any thinking, of on our WhatsApp number. Talk to us and find our solution. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video with the new questions.